Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Michi method. A lot of people's been asking me how I do it with my binder, so I just thought I'd make a video. So for the page that I'm going to do, I'm going to be doing it around base set. I've got all these base set hollows and I've just put what I have in order. I'm still missing a few, but I'm going to put a picture here and a picture here and a picture here. So let's head over to the computer and let's get these made. So the way that I do it is I go to a website called Canva. There's plenty of other alternatives you can use. You can use Pixlr, Photoshop, just any sort of software that can change the size of an image. So what you do is you press create, you search up A4 and choose this one, document A4 landscape. And then what you need to do is find your image that you're going to do. I'm going to use this one. You just press copy, but I've already got it in here, so I'm just going to copy it here. Put this here. Once you have your image in Canva, what you want to do is click on it and press position. This is going to be a 4-pocket image, so it's going to have 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. If you want to do a 1-pocket, 2-pocket or 4-pocket, I'm going to put the sizes on the screen for you. So this is a 4-pocket one, so the size that I'm going to do is 14 by 19.5 centimeters. To adjust the size, you just double click it and you can sort of move it around. If it doesn't fit in properly, what you can do is you can hold in shift and you can sort of stretch it out a little bit. So once you're at the stage where you're happy with it, what I do is I normally put stroke style on 11 and I change the colour of it to grey. You can kind of change it to whatever colour you want if you're going to put a border on it. And then I put the rounding onto 38, so it kind of looks like a Pokemon card. So I'm happy with this. I'm going to make my 2-pocket binder ones now. So the steps are pretty much just the same. You just add your image, press position, and then go to size. For the 2, it's 14 and 9.5. Corner rounding at 38 and stroke style at 11. I'm happy with this and I'm just going to go make another one. This is the final design that I've went for. I've kind of changed the border to be yellow and these are going to be the 2 and that's going to be the 4. Had a lot of questions of people asking me how I get the cards to be shiny, and this is pretty much how I do it. These are adhesive laminate paper, so this just comes off and it sticks to the sheet. I'm going to use this one. This part's always the most annoying to do, that's why I printed out 2 of them, because I normally mess it up. Make sure it's covering all the cards. I think that turned out pretty well, and now it's time just to cut them up. You can use scissors to cut them, but I'm just going to use this to cut them. I got this off Amazon, cuts it in a straight line. That's them all cut up. Now we just need to cut the corners, and I use this thing to cut the corners. You can just put it in there and stamp it down. I'm going to have to cut this in half, and to do that I just use a ruler and find the exact middle and cut it in the middle. A little tip for cutting the big ones in half, you just figure out the half is on each side and mark it down with a pen on the other end of it, like the other side, and you can just cut it straight through. Okay, that's all our cards ready now. They just need to be slotted into the binder. This is the way I'm going to position them in the binder, and it's actually really easy to get them in. The best way that I found how to do it was to fold the page in like that and then slot the card in through there by kind of just doing that. So just sort of like that, and you can just slot it in. So this is the final product with everything in. I think it looks really good. Putting that laminate on it really stops it from like creasing, because you see people that have like creases in it. These ones don't. So I think this turned out really well. This page is going to look really nice when it's done. I'm just missing 3 cards, mainly that Charizard. I don't know when I'm going to get that. Shout out to Michi for making this. It was a really good idea, and yeah, thanks for watching. If you could like the video, that would be a massive help, as this is the first video on my channel, so let me know how I done.